Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to increase your Windows computer performance without too much of a hassle. This with requires no physical hardware upgrades. So let's jump straight into it guys. Go to search menu and type control panel. Open it. Go category large icons. Go to power options. Here show additional plans, click on it. High performance, click on it. That's it. Favor performance but may use more energy. This will bad for laptops. More energy will taken by this. And close out of here. And the next step is go to search menu and type performance. Performance of Windows. Adjust the perform appearance and performance of Windows. Open it. And you want to adjust for the best performance. Click on it. And you want to select smooth edges of screen fonts. Click on it. And first you want to apply this and click on smooth edge of screen font. Apply and okay guys. Next, hopefully you will speed up your computer a little bit more. Go to search menu and type apps features. Open it up. If you don't want any programs, I would suggest you to delete it, uninstall it. For example, click on any programs you're not using longer. Uninstall button over here. It's my phone. You can uninstall like this. Click on it and uninstall you want don't use programs and close out of here. And right click on the taskbar and go to task manager. Go to startups. So if you are using Windows 7 or Windows 8, you need to search system configuration. Open it. Windows 10, here comes startup tab. Windows 7 and Windows 8, you need to search for this like. And startup tab, you don't want unnecessary programs. You want to click on it and disable it. That's it guys. And the next thing is go to search menu and type cleanup, disk cleanup. Open it. Now here is option clean up system files. Click on it. Click OK. You can also clean up Windows Update Cleanup. Already updated with free up 4.573 of disk space. You can easily 5 GB of space increase. Click OK and delete files. After finishing disk clean up, go to any browser you have, search for C cleaner, free download. Download C cleaner, click on it. C cleaner for Mac browser, and I'm for download for Windows. You can download it free. Click on show in folders and unconfigured, it's not downloaded. It's still running. After downloaded, click on it. CC setup. Click yes. Install it. View release notes, uncheck the box and run cleaner. Now go to cleanup. Go to custom clean. You can internet cache and internet history, download history, everything will be deleted, guys. You can also uncheck the box you don't want to delete it. Run cleaner and continue. It's the running. You can clean the internet cache also, yes. That's it guys for today's video. I hope you guys the performance will be increased for you. Thanks for watching my video guys. Give me a thumbs up and goodbye.